Are you tired of juggling what you're looking for in a home?
Floor plan, community, and location.
Stop juggling and start living. This is the Westmore home you've been waiting for. There are 4 different levels, and parking is not a problem. It's open and filled with light. It's great for chefs and party hosts, for casual meals and nice dinners, 3 bedrooms and a whole loft level. And you're really gonna love the rooftop terrace. Home, community, location, no juggling.